What you doing, Miss Meyer? Hey, April Bear. Well, we're working on A-E words from the book The Lost Lake that we read earlier. And so, A, and then we'll have a space, E. When we have a long A, we say A. We're not going to say we're just going to say A. And it's a silent E sound. And today, we're going to practice making ache sounds. So our first word in our quick erase, we're going to do boys and girls and bears, is lake. Lake is going to be our first word. And then we're going to change it and put a sound in front, and it's going to make bake. Everybody got that? And then we're going to put a sound in front. And what do you think that changes to? Cake! Oh, good job, bears. And then if we put a sound in front, do you know what we get? We get ache, fake. And then we're going to take those off and put up a and that's going to change it to, do you know what it's going to change it to, little bears? Make. Oh, you're right. It is going to change it to make. And then if we change it to a it's going to write rake. Good job. Mr. Beyer likes to rake the lawn. And if we put a there, what are we going to get? Take us on a bear hunt. And then what if we put a W in front? It's going to say wake. Yeah, it's going to say wake. And then this time we're going to put two letters. We're going to put an N and an S. Do you know what we get there? Yeah, we get snake. Snake. Good job. And then the last time, we're going to change that N to an H. And this time we're going to get shake. Oh, aren't you the smartest bears? Okay, now that I did them ahead of time for you to read, this time I want you to write them, bears. Ready to do quick erase when it's your turn to write them?